In this video, I will show you how to download or play online That's Not My Neighbor. Simply go to Google and type That's Not My Neighbor. Click on first link to play game online. Now click on Play Now. A new pop-up game will start. It will take some time, but game will load. If you would like download game, you need to go back to Google and click on itch.io link. Now read before you buy section because your computer may not support this game. Or you can simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and download free file. Can my PC run and find out if game runs on your PC. When you are sure it will work, just press buy now and prompt will payment. When you pay, you will be able to download this game. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Aku udah boleh.